Hi Beauty Mark fans. Tonight we're going to review a skincare line from Guerlain. It's the Abeille Royale line. I have a set that has all three of the main products. So the Fortifying Lotion, the Serum, and the Watery Face Oil. So we'll be giving a full review of this and an unboxing as we go through each of the three products tonight. Okay. So here is the Fortifying Lotion. Can you guys see it? Is it too bright? A little bright. I don't know if you can catch this in the... We're going to unbox this. Now, the Fortifying Lotion is about $75. It's a little pricey. The whole set, these three together, was about $200. But this one all on its own is $225. So this was a really good deal for these three. Right now, I think you can get them at Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, and Bloomingdale's for that price. So this is really cute. There's like a little QR code in here. So I'll check that out later. The bottle is beautiful. Guerlain is one of the oldest makeup houses in the world, which is super fun. So with this, what you're going to do is you're just going to put some into your hand. And this is just like other Asian toners, but you're not going to put this on a cotton swab. You're going to press it into your face. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Wow. Just to go like to sleep smelling like this, I think is worth it. So I'm going to put the extra into my neck. You're going to want to press. My face was really cleansed before this and I had nothing on it. I did put a cold towel on it to help with the inflammation because, you know, we suffer from inflammation due to all the extra capillaries that we have. I don't know if you can see, but this is the side of my face that has most of the inflammation all the time. This is where the birthmark grows. This is where the eczema always is. This is where my eyebrow is droopy. And what happens is the capillaries are kind of there. So it's a little heavier on this side, so it droops more. I also find that I sleep on that side. So that might be the reason why everything pools on this side. This smells amazing. So I opt if you don't get all three, this would be a good thing to get. It feels really good. And it smells delicious. Just a little bit. It was just maybe 3 drops out of the top. It has a little top like this. Look. It doesn't pour out. It has a little tiny little hole. So you kind of like shake it out. Tip it out. Don't squeeze it. So the second step is actually the Youth Watery Oil. So we're going to try this bad boy. That Fortifying Lotion was amazing. I don't know if this is going to get better. Because my face feels great right now. Now, the reason why I was really interested in trying this, okay, so see this? This bottle is gorgeous, it's glass, but it has these little, I want to say they look like propolis at the bottom almost, like these little caviar beads of, I guess, royal jelly or propolis or pollen or something. But you're supposed to shake it. Okay, now it's all mixed up. Can you guys see it? What a pretty little bottle. Did you guys ever see Death Becomes Her? I'm a girl. I kind of feel like that right now. Even the little dropper is like gold and it looks like it's metal, but it's not.
What does it do?
Beautiful design. All right, and now we're gonna rub it between the hands and we're gonna press it into the face, especially on my eczema. This smells amazing. So the oil is not as oily as you think it is. It's not sticky, I would say. It's watery. It's kind of watery, oily. It's nice. My hands do feel sticky right now, though, but my face feels great. So far, I really like this. All right. So this is the serum. This is what all the buzz is about. A lot of times in lines, like I'll end up liking things like just the tonic. That watery oil was really fun. I liked it. So far, I think the tonic was amazing. So this guy's a little pricey. Just on his own, outside of the set, he's like $200. So this has 2 different sides to it. So you're getting the 2 different formulas in it. It's supposed to be Renew and Repair Advanced Serum. It's a really pretty bottle. There's a little tiny little bee on it. Pretty, glitzy. All right. So we're going to pump once. If I can. There. It's nice. It has a shallow pump, so you're not going to be wasting a lot of product, which means that this will probably last you a long time. You're going to move it between your hands, they said, and then you're just going to push it into your face. This is pretty delicious. Somebody's probably going to scold me for how I'm applying this, but I have a little patch of eczema there. I just want to spread it around and not waste. If you have extra product, you definitely want to get your décolletage, which is your neck, right? This area here. And then if you have more left over, put it on the back of your hands. So all 3 of these have royal jelly in them and honey. I really like these products because they didn't have anything that looked like it was going to irritate my skin. And I'm trying to find something that'll get my skin back to like a nice equilibrium. So this was great. This guy right here, the serum has, where is the ingredients? Squalene oil, honey, royal jelly, other ones, meadow foam oil, sativa, sorbitol, so that's like a sugar. There's sugar in here, castor oil. So all of these things are good things for my skin that I tend to respond well to. So hopefully you guys do too. All right. So far the Abeille Royale Guerlain line I really like. It smells delicious. It feels wonderful. I feel moisturized. It doesn't feel heavy. And I'll see what it feels like in the morning. But I would definitely say you could try out this guy, the Fortifying Lotion. This is the $75 bottle. The serum is really expensive all on its own. It's $225 when you buy it by itself. I haven't checked this little guy out, but the 3 of them together you can get in a set, and they're all full sizes for $200. So it's $189 plus tax. So if you want to try it out, go ahead. I love this, and I will give you an update. This is my first night doing it, so I'll give you an update with another video on how this went for me in the morning and a couple days after. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click that little notification bell, and we'll keep you up to date on our newest videos as they come.